Sanibonani South Africa, more South Africa. Sanibonani nonke. Ne family TikTok yonke. Ngibone I post lapha yana ku Mr Prof Somlomo ethi ngey9 zaka August kumele kube ne march ebheke eUnion Building. Angaka check ama data ukuthi nanzini, but engikubukayo lapha ukuthi kusazoba nalabo abayibiza ngama Clever Blacks abazoyiopposa into yokumasha. Kanti ngiye ngayibona ne video ka professor ka commissioner womsadafu ethi Hanoch kumele I government step aside. Ngifuna umamele le statement. Government must step aside, not Ramaphosa as in person. The commander is talking about government as a whole. That means that means yelet yenu Jemas 8 daso yelet yenu Jimud Khan 8 daso, according to that statement. We plead Kama South African ukuthi please be a part of it. Si joine siye laphayana ushilo Somlomo wathi it doesn't matter ukuthi which organization okuyo, but into ebalekile to fight for your country ebizwa ngeSouth Africa. This is what we want, and esicelayo kubantu ukuthi ngey9 mawukuthi vele i9 yiza abayiphasisile, siyacela ukuthi leyo nto leyo ayibe official ukuthi igovernment istep aside. Sishaye lo shunu waseBurkina Faso uyabasebenzela, ungasebenzela nathi, because kuningi esikubonayo ukuthi sihlukumezeka ngakho. That's why ngithi ama Clever Blacks, they will oppose this thing because they don't understand ukuthi what is poverty. They don't feel the pain to see abantwana bethu estradweni bebulawa inyawo. They don't feel that. They don't feel pain yokubona abantwana abancane abanabo 14 to 15 years benza prostitute. They don't feel that. They don't feel pain yokubona abafana abancane bebambo obaba baba inkunzi. Abantu nje bebamba inkunzi. Into nje khona njengamanje kuhlangahlangene. If awukho kwi ground you won't understand ukuthi kwenzakalani. We do understand because siyakubona, and a second of almost ihanga iyona ekhosta yonke leyo conflict leyo. So siyacela South Africa Hanoch isikhathi ukuthi igovernment ekhona istep aside, sisha ushunu waseBurkina Faso, sibone ukuthi ugeneral ucommander or whoever esizomfaka, because laphana as sizo elector agiwe voting. System of voting is not for us, and we won't beat the system if sizosebenzisa the very same system as oppressor. So that's why I'm saying the Clever Blacks will oppose this thing because they think they know everything, but they don't understand in the spilling upon squad. Siyacela South Africa ngey9 akiweni Union Building kuyokhishwa le ndoda, kuyokhishwa government wonke. Mina myself and I will be driving ibhasi yakwa metro. Mina myself and I ngizobe ngishaya mina ngobudala bami nalo 70 people ozobula ngemuva, or maybe 100 people ozobula ngemuva. Sidinga wona amabhasi aka government ukuthi siye ngawo le phezulu. We can't use our own petrol ukuya le phezulu. And please asivandalize. This is our country. Sifuna ukuthi lozo ngene kahle kungena ama problem. We don't vandalize, we don't do asiyenzi looting. No looting, no vandalizing. Siyokhipha le ndoda le phezulu. Then okunye nokунye siyokubona after I reaction ezoqhamuka lapha. But for now, our goal is to remove i-government erula ngenkani eSouth Africa, oppress abantu ngalendlela yenza ngakhona. Done and dusted.